welcome to CourseKata. My name is Ji-Sun, and I'm a professor at California State University, Los Angeles. Our free set of online interactive learning materials are designed for teaching statistics and data science at high schools, colleges, and universities. Those of us who have taught statistics for a long time realize that many of our students struggle to understand each of these concepts. We call these the bits that we're charged to teach them. Even when some of our successful students learn the pieces, they still don't see the connections, and because of that, they're unable to transfer to new contexts. That's a tragedy, and that's the problem we at CourseKata are trying to work on. Based on research in the learning sciences, we know that when students have few connections, they're unable to transfer. But when students have many connections, they're far better at it. So if we want students to come away with transferable knowledge, we need to help them practice making connections. We call this the Practicing Connections Hypothesis. So we've developed an interactive online textbook suitable for an introductory course called Statistics and Data Science, a Modeling Approach. This book does not assume that students are comfortable with algebra, but students come away with a more modern understanding of how algebra gets used. The course is filled with practices that are rigorous and real. Students practice doing data science with tools used by actual data scientists. The book also integrates the doing of data analysis with thinking about statistical concepts. That way, students are always practicing connections. So what does the textbook look like? Go to CourseKata.org for a preview. You'll be able to see all of the course content. But to use these materials with your students, contact us for an instructor account. What do we mean by an interactive textbook? Each page of our textbook is a mixture of text, images, and questions that students answer as they go. There are different kinds of questions, including written responses, multiple choice, as well as R coding exercises. We use R, which is an open source coding language used by expert data scientists. Although you could preview the textbook at CourseKata.org, many of your students will access the course through their learning management system. For example, Canvas. Many of the teachers that use CourseKata in their classrooms assign the textbook pages as homework. So what do they do in class? They use Jupyter notebooks. What's a Jupyter notebook? It's a runnable document that data scientists use to run code, do analyses, as well as write about what they find, all in one document. Jupyter notebooks designed by the CourseKata team give teachers a lesson plan to start with. CourseKata provides extensive professional development before and during the implementation of the course. Our teachers report feeling well prepared and supported, even as they implement the course for the very first time. Before teachers are scheduled to teach, they participate in a 12-session study group. The CourseKata team also provides daily Zoom office hours where instructors can get just-in-time support and support one another. CourseKata is not only a set of course materials, it's ultimately a partnership between researchers, instructors, designers, and developers, continuously improving a set of course materials based on data from student learning. Imagine that, using students' own data to improve their learning of data science. Take a look around at CourseKata.org for more information.